The topic for today is how to remove unavailable videos from your YouTube channel. Here you can see my YouTube channel. In the playlist, if you scroll down to the bottom, here you can see 2 unavailable videos are hidden. Let's open YouTube Studio. Click on Content. Click on Playlist. Click on the 3 dots in the playlist. Click on Edit on YouTube. After opening the playlist, click on the 3 dots in the playlist. From the options, click on Show Hidden Videos. Now scroll down to the deleted video location. Click on the 3 dots. From here you can remove the video. If this option does not appear in your YouTube, then go back to YouTube Studio. Go back to Playlist. Click on the videos. Scroll down to the deleted video location. Here you can see the direct remove option is available. Or, from here also you can remove this video. Click on Remove from Playlist. Here you can see the video is successfully removed from the playlist. Let's go back to the YouTube channel. Reload the playlist. Let's scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see 1 hidden video is removed from the playlist. So, in this process, you can remove unavailable YouTube videos from your playlist. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.